In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the avatar picture of your community on Microsoft Teams. This is a simple process that allows you to personalize your community space, making it more recognizable and visually engaging for all members. A custom avatar can truly enhance your community's identity, providing a quick visual cue for its purpose and members. Let's walk through the steps together to give your community a fresh new look. Once you're logged into Microsoft Teams, your first action will be to navigate to the Communities section. You'll typically find this option on the left-hand navigation bar within the Teams interface. It's usually represented by an icon that signifies multiple people or a group, and clicking on it will open up a list of all the communities you are a part of or have created. This central hub is where you can easily manage and interact with all your different community spaces. Make sure you're in the right account to see the communities you intend to edit. Clicking here is the crucial first step to access the specific community whose avatar you wish to modify. After successfully clicking on Communities, you'll see a list of all your active communities. Your next task is to locate the specific community or channel whose avatar you wish to update. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the community's name until you see a three-dotted line icon appear. This icon, also known as the ellipsis menu or More Options, is a universal symbol in many applications for accessing a context-sensitive menu with additional actions. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu containing various administrative and customization options for that particular community. This is where we'll find the setting to edit the community's details. From the drop-down menu that appeared after clicking the three dots, you'll see an option labeled Edit Community. This is precisely what we need to select. Choosing Edit Community will open a dedicated settings panel or window, allowing you to modify various aspects of your community, such as its name, description. This is the central control panel for personalizing your community's identity and ensuring it reflects its purpose accurately. It's important to remember that you typically need to be an owner or administrator of the community to access and make changes through this option. Click Edit Community to proceed to the next step. Within the Edit Community panel, you'll notice a section specifically dedicated to the community's current avatar or a placeholder image, if one hasn't been set yet. Next to this image, or perhaps directly on it, you'll find another Edit button or an Upload Picture option. Click this Edit button to initiate the avatar upload process. This action will typically open your computer's File Explorer, prompting you to browse and select the image you wish to use as your new community avatar. Remember to choose an image that is clear, visually appealing, and represents your community well. JPEG, PNG, or GIF formats are generally accepted, and a square image often works best for avatars. Once you have selected your desired image from your computer, it will usually appear as a preview within the Edit Community panel. Take a moment to ensure it looks exactly as you intended and fits the designated space. After confirming your selection, the final and crucial step is to click the Save button. This button is typically located at the bottom of the Edit Community panel. Clicking Save will apply all the changes you've made, including your newly uploaded avatar. Your community's profile picture will then update, becoming visible to all members. Don't forget this step, as failing to save means your new avatar won't be applied. Congratulations, your community now has a fresh, personalized look.